Today in court, prosecutors played the interview Adam Casals gave to investigators.
The off-duty APD sergeant did that interview the night he ran a red light in his police SUV on his way home and killed a young woman. The investigator he talked to also took the stand to testify that the now former cop's story didn't add up. News 13's Tina Jensen was in the courtroom.
If crash photos didn't spell it out to the jury, the autopsy doctor did. 21-year-old Ashley Browder didn't stand a chance when then-Sergeant Adam Casals broadsided her car at Paseo and Eagle Ranch last year.
The sort of injury that Ms. Browder had, in particular to her brain stem, would typically be almost instantaneously fatal. You might survive for a few seconds or maybe a minute or two.
Ashley's sister Lindsay, who suffered serious injuries in the crash, listened to the painful descriptions along with her family. Emotions were so high, the judge ordered a recess before the prosecution's final witness took the stand. Lead investigator Bernalillo County Deputy Leonard Armijo. Today, the jury listened in on what Casals said when the deputy interviewed him.
There was a specific vehicle that Sergeant Adam Casals had told me during the taped interview that he was following.
A sedan with distinct lights?
A dark color sedan with tall LED lights, quote unquote.
The investigator said he found no evidence that Casals was telling the truth. Casals, who was off duty that night, drove through a red light on Paseo at almost 65 miles per hour in a 45-mile-an-hour zone when he slammed into the Browders. Today, the investigator testified there's never a reason an officer should go through a red light at that speed.
You have a huge responsibility. You have to respond in a safe manner. So no, I've responded to an officer down call, and I've never gone through an intersection at that speed.
Tina Jensen, KRQE News 13.
On cross-examination, Casals' lawyer kept up his tactic of trying to paint the investigation as shoddy. He pointed out that APD lost track of a witness before deputies took over that scene. The defense will begin calling witnesses tomorrow.